Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you a way to display a welcome message in the engine or in any project you are working on that appears immediately when opening the engine specifically. You can use it when sharing your project or when selling it, as a thank you message or for guidance. So it will be an easy and creative video as usual. Let's begin. To do this, first we need to create a widget, and not just any normal widget, but we need to use an Editor Utility Widget. From here, you can choose Canvas only and create the widget. Everything here is similar to creating any normal widget, only some names will be different, as you can see. I have already created one before, so I will just use it in this explanation. There's nothing special that I really did here. Even here, all I did was add some links only, so it is just a normal widget. Next, we need to use an editor utility blueprint. After that, several class options will appear here, and from these we must choose Editor Utility Object. You can name it anything you want, but you must remember its name because we will need it later. So we open it, and what we need is to use Run Event, which you will find here. Simply, this event runs any code connected to it when it is called. The next step is that we will use the Execute Python script node. Do not worry, nothing complicated here. What we will do is just copy a Python code that I designed specifically to run the widget that we created earlier. Let's go to the code. I will open it. It will look like this. I will leave it for you in the description so you can copy it. What you need to change for your case is the widget path inside the project. Just go to the widget and press Show in Explorer. Copy the path up to the content folder only, and after putting the file name here, you will need to add a dot and rewrite the same file name again. Finally, you must change the context name here to Game. After that, copy this code and paste it here. We will also need the path of startup_WD in the project. After that, you must completely close the engine. This file I do not need now. I used it only to show you the code. Then we go to the config folder. Usually there will be a file with a long name called DefaultEditorPerProjectUserSettings. But if you do not have this file, just create one with the same name and with the .ini extension. This is important. I will not need it, so I will just delete it. After opening it, I will add this code to it. The only thing that needs to be added now is adding the file path that we copied earlier here in the same previous way. Add the file name, then a dot, then the file name again. It is also important to change the context name to Game. Let's see. Yes, I felt that something was wrong. We need to change backslash to /. I missed this small change. We save, and we do the same thing for the previous code as well. Here I made the same mistake. Now everything looks good. Now let's close the project. After this, it is supposed that when you open the project again, the widget that we created will appear. And yes, it appeared indeed, as you can see. A simple welcome message that you can interact with. Now every time you close the project and open it again, it will appear again. You can even later add a button like Do Not Show This Again and save the variable in the game instance as a way to avoid the annoyance of it appearing every time, if you want it to appear only once. So, this was the way to show any welcome message when starting the engine. If you liked the content, do not forget to check the channel. There are many similar useful videos, and do not forget to support us with a subscription and a comment. Thank you for watching.